Okay guys, I'm going to show you a toy of my tornado siren. I don't know what's wrong with my little camera. So yeah. So this is the wire. This is what it looks like inside. You can't see anything because I took the little, because it's like electric, and I took the little fan out. So yeah. And as the stick, I just use a tape. And also as the tape, I used a PVC pipe because that's the only thing I had. And then the wire goes through this little middle thing and it comes in right there. So yeah. It's winter now. Okay. And also, what was I gonna say? Oh no. Like a few months ago, I had to turn this on because there was an EF0 tornado. I think it was like 80 miles per hour wind. And also, we had to go in the basement. It was not too bad. We had to go in the closet. We also had a basement. We went in the closet because the tornado wasn't really bad. I'm so happy we were so safe. Yeah. And also, this is what it looks like. See? We use little wood chips as a little ground. I just digged it in right here. And also a little street that got paved because the last time it got dig up is 20 years ago. So this is what the little gas line looks like. This is what the little wood flag looks like. You see they're both flags. Awesome. So here we go. Look how big this wheel is of a car. It's big. It's almost 70. It's almost 70. Yeah. So yeah, that's a little tour, but I'm gonna show you more. So, a long time ago, I think like 2 days ago, or 1 day ago, or 3 or 4 days ago, I used to use this as a stick, but not that one. It's like a little paper plate with a little phone on it, because it didn't have this little cord yet. So yeah, this is a little, they digged up this because they had to get all of that old little pipes out, so they're regrowing grass. So yeah, so that's the tour. Bye.